What are we doing here?
Leaving the 99 to rescue the one.
To rescue the one? Yes. No, he leads us across the sea through a storm that nearly drowns us. What to help some lunatic in chains? We're not supposed to be here.
You've already forgotten.
Forgotten what?
When you were the one.
He called me by name. I was under a tree. He came just to find me, and he told me who I am.
Called me by name. Like my net, I was empty. He calmed the storm inside me, and life began.
He left the 99 when you were the one, when you were the one. Yes, he left the 99 when I was the one. Now that man is the one. He is the one.
Fine. We get it, but at what point is it not worth the risk?
Yes!
Not worth the risk!
That woman at the well.
Small man hiding in a tree.
For the lame man lowered through the roof.
The bleeding woman in the street.
The leper, the blind man, the deaf and the lame, the sick and the broken. He knows their name.